How do you think the PC build's gonna go?
Honestly, I think we're gonna fuck up. Something's gonna go wrong. Matthew's gonna have that confused face like, what the fuck? That's kind of be funny. And then Siobhan's gonna start screaming and doing some retarded shit. But I think it'll take us like 2 hours max. And then there's gonna be an error.
Alright, so I'm gonna be honest with you. I need to go to shit. I don't know why. I'm just so nervous, but we're pretty smart people. Matt's still know. He says he's been watching videos, but we'll see.
I think I know more than Ryan and Siobhan combined because I've been watching a lot of videos on it.
Oh fuck, I'm nervous.
And I think Ryan's like conception of it is very low compared to mine. So I think we're gonna be fine. I just hope we boot. My biggest issue is we're not gonna be able to start up, and then we're not gonna be able to run Windows 10, which I'm really scared about. But I'm really confident that we're gonna get it.
Yo, what's up guys? Siobhan from Roundtable. This is the FX fuck me in the ass. This is the FX P300 case. This shit's mad beautiful. And this is Matthew's PC.
I see myself in the reflection.
We're gonna make this, oh you can?
Yeah.
We're gonna make this build
Just turn it around.
elite. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
I mean, there's nothing on the back.
Yeah,
what the fuck is he gonna
it's
show?
all black.
I don't know.
Okay.
Alright, that's it. Oh wait,
What about the 3 other things in front of you?
The
This is
Vengeance LPX. This is sick too.
16 gigabytes of RAM.
16 gigabytes of RAM. This is a B40 Tomahawk Max. This is the motherboard. Sick, you know. It's nice.
Okay, stop! You did it! Oh,
it's
okay,
fine,
anyway,
it's
we get to so it goes on. Okay, GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card, pretty good shit. We got the AMD Ryzen 7 generation 2700 processor. Comes with the cooling, but we're gonna switch it out for the Wraith Max AMD also, so we can overclock this bitch.
Hi, this is so weird. I'm never on camera. Alright, so we have a 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive, but then we also have a 250 gigabyte SSD from Western Digital, but we're hoping, this is from an older system, we're hoping that Windows 10 is installed in there, so we don't have to pay money to get Windows 10 activated, and hopefully it boots, but if it doesn't, we have 2 other SSDs waiting, so in case that doesn't work, we have that. And then we have an EVGA 600 bronze 80 plus certified edition power cable, power supply. I fucked that up.
Quick tip. SSDs are faster than hard drives, HDD.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna try to build this now, I guess. Yeah.
Let's fucking do it!
First off, if you look in the corner right here, this picture, Matthew graduated PC school, 2012.
You know what I mean?
See? He can't speak English, but he can build
No,
PCs.
we open this up and we have the IO shield and we have 2 SATA cables.
These are SATA cables.
A sticker for the SSD that goes into the motherboard that we don't
If you-
have. This is a sticker.
If you watch The Verge's build PC, this overclocks it instantly. 500 frames for all your games.
This is the instruction manual. We're gonna be using this a lot.
I'm the professional PC builder, by the way. I built about 7,000 PCs in my lifetime.
Who are you lying to?
Myself.
You can't even afford one. Fucking bitch.
Alright, so we're gonna open this up and we're gonna
Cut that out.
No, you're not cutting that out.
Please cut that out.
We're actually gonna insert the clip of Ryan calling Siobhan daddy right here.
Siobhan is my daddy. Record it.
I am already doing it.
Siobhan is daddy. You're not getting it.
Alright, Siobhan is daddy.
Welcome back to your regular standard little program.
Whoa, I see, that's so much cooler. Is this what they do in the professional YouTube channel?
Why is there a battery on it?
This video's gonna come out horrible.
Oh, terrible. I don't even know where this goes. Yeah, what are you fucking hitting me in the face for? We're gonna put the CPU in. This is a
That's a
scary-
CPU?
Oh, this is the scary part for me. This is the fan that comes with it. We're not gonna use it. I just want to see it. Thermal paste. Oh, there's cables on it. Alright, I don't need it.
Do not add a shit ton of thermal paste for those watching.
No, we have the thermal paste spreader.
Oh yeah, we gotta get the thermal paste applicator.
Yeah.
You wanna see that?
Oh,
That's,
that's
the CPU.
actually-
Yeah, you don't actually do anything.
This is garbage. Just throw this out.
Yeah,
Might
you
as
just
well.
chuck it out. Little triangle here and a little triangle down there, and you line those up. And ta-da! That's it. So first off, you're gonna take this. Oh, I'm so nervous. And you're gonna pull that all the way up so the socket opens up. Okay.
The flash is on. Make it a little brighter.
You never want to touch the top because the oils on your skin could fuck it up.
Are you serious?
Yeah, literally.
Fuck.
So, how do you take this out?
You just.
No, I think this is plastic,
Oh.
like that.
Oh my god, please.
How are you not nervous?
I'm not nervous. That's what I'm sitting.
I'm gonna flip this over like that. See, there's like 1,000 pins on here. And if you fucking break one of them, the whole build is fucked.
So, another PC check-in. It's been 40 minutes, and they've made little progress. And after 2 hours, that'll be correct.
Holy shit.
This is the brain of the computer. You're gonna gently. Oh, I'm so fucking nervous right now. Holy shit.
You got the triangle?
I'm shaking.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Just place
So
it.
hard. Ta-da!
Oh yeah!
Oh, that was perfect.
Good shit.
That's so
First
hot.
try.
Alright, close that shit now.
And then go like that, and then blow it back.
Blows up.
Go like that, and ta-da! That's good. Bam. Next we need a cooler.
There's a lot going on. There's a cat throwing it back below the camera. Matthew doesn't know what he's doing.
I know what I'm doing. I'm just nervous.
You're fucking doing nothing.
You're literally doing nothing. But I'm Mr. PC fucking expert.
I never said I was a PC expert. I'm the professional PC builder, by the way. In the back, there's not enough room. There's not enough room. You're recording. Matt's building it, and I'm back here in case I do so.
He just places it.
But I don't. So
But you have to position it.
that's what I'm trying to figure out where it's positioned.
It's been 30 minutes. You guys don't know what the fuck they're doing.
So this is
Remember, I predicted this.
back. Since this is the
Wraith.
so this thermal paste on the bottom, we're not gonna take it off yet. But since there's been like a lot of shitty videos on how to install it on YouTube, we're gonna install it correctly. So before we take it off, there's two little components here that we're gonna take off first, and we're gonna put onto the side. These come with 2 wires. This is for the RGB aspect of it. So there's a 3-pin, which is right here. I don't know if you can see it. 3-pin, and then there's a 4.
Good job.
There's a 4-pin down there. So we're not gonna install that yet. We're gonna install it after we put this in. So first we're gonna.
If this fucks up, this is on math.
So look over here. We flipped the motherboard around so it's facing us. There's already brackets installed. We didn't have to move those because this is an MSI motherboard, and this isn't coming off. There we go. There's thermal paste. Do not
What happened?
touch it. This goes
Whatever.
Like that, yes.
like this. We're gonna move this wire down. You're gonna have. Just do it for both of
Put
them.
on a flash, wait.
It doesn't do it for both of them. This is hella scary. Okay. I don't know how to do this.
Just place it.
I don't want to place it wrong.
You're not.
This isn't matching up. You see what I mean? Don't put too much pressure on it. I want to snap the board.
You got this, boy.
What the fuck is it?
It's not going in.
Where's the book? Where's the YouTube link?
So we're going to give you guys a quick tip, right? So the instruction manual for this is absolute ass.
Oh, let me show
The video that the company put
Trash.
out is shit. Because it's not even, they don't put the fan on in the right order. It's facing the opposite direction. Okay? Which might bite us in the ass. And I'm knocking on wood that me saying that doesn't bite us in the ass in a couple of minutes.
Funny.
So, we don't know where to plug this in right now. We're going to have to rewatch that guy again.
Oh, fuck.
So, that's fine. We'll do that. So, on the Wrath motherboard, right here, they have these black pieces that you have to take off. And then you put in these 4 and 3-pin connectors that come with the fan, the CPU cooler. So now what they don't tell you is that there's a clamp on one side and there's not a clamp on the other. The video that AMD put out has you just smash the fucking thing into the motherboard and then clamp in one side. That's literally it. And then there's this other guy that put out a video. We're not going to go against him because he did help us a lot. And he's going to help us with the rest of this video. But the only other video on the internet of someone installing it is also putting it in wrong. So what you do is you put it in first on the side without the little clamp. Right? There's something underneath here that I'm rolling on. Okay? And then what you do is you shove the fucking you shove the fucking CPU fan as hard as you can down and clamp the shit out of it. And that's when you're going to watch this little victory because this took us, what,
It's so scary.
30 minutes? You're going to push this all the way.
Just do it.
It doesn't feel like it's going down. I feel like I'm going to break it. Okay, that was scary.
I was cringing so hard. Were you cringing hard?
Yeah.
I
really thought something
scared the
was
shit
going
out of me.
wrong.
So then you plug this in somewhere, and we're gonna figure that out right now. So we're gonna cut. We'll be back. This is not working out the way we wanted it to work out. Now that he's done having sex with you. Ha!
For record the garbage can.
That's
I got a shit stain on my arm.
I
okay.
can't
So
see it, the
we're
flashlight's on it.
installing the IO shield first before we put the motherboard in. You're gonna hammer it in, obviously. No, you're gonna not gently, but you're gonna push it in until
Push it
You hear
real good.
the little things click in. You know, and the best way to do it is it's to jiggle it.
Excuse
around.
me.
See, like obviously we didn't put that in correctly.
How does it go in?
No thanks.
Do it at you put it in at an angle.
Dun, dun, dun.
And you line it up with the IO shield.
So, still building the PC. It's now like 7:10 or some shit. We started at 5:24, I believe. So, almost on 2 hours. It's going okay. Now we're having a problem with screws or some shit. And it's, well, we'll see.
We kind of know what we're doing. We think we found the screws.
I feel like a fucking dad.
You just took over. I could do it. He does it. This is what he does. He complains about things he likes doing. Like when he gets mad that he drives this all the time, but he's the one that likes driving. Like when he drove my car before because he doesn't like how anyone else drives.
No, it's not that I don't like how you drive. I just like driving.
Then complains when he has to drive. We'll be back. Alright, we're live, baby. Not literally, we're recording.
There you go.
Wait, so what the
Where are
fuck?
those screws that we
We're
have before?
fucking idiots!
Where are those? What's he?
I'm creeping on Ryan.
I'm just gonna put that one in a little bit. You can cut here. We're just basically gonna fucking screw this on. Alright, so we're gonna ignore the power supply for a little bit, and we're gonna install the fucking graphics card because I'm just fucking done with this already. So what you're gonna do is first over here, you're gonna pop this off. Bam, that goes into your system. It goes into the top slot. It's the best for performance. Over here, you got some. I think these are HDMI ports. I'm pretty sure. No, I think this one's the only HDMI. I don't know what these two ports are for, if I'm being very honest with you, but I think it's for VR.
That could be. That's actually a reasonable guess.
Reasonable guess, yeah. So first, what we have to do is unscrew stuff. So
No. Go up. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yes!
So we've been plugging things in. We really haven't been updating you guys. We're trying to cable manage. It's a real big headache at this point. And so we're just gonna continue doing this slowly, and hopefully we'll be done soon.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Hi, we haven't recorded anything in a very long time. We finished building the PC. We're trying to boot it up. That's basically where we are. I said boot it up.
Oh,
I guess. I don't know. This is what we're trying to do.
4 fucking 5 hours later, I don't fucking know anymore. I'm gonna fucking go home.